Hi everybody, I'm Jacopo Fanciulli, an Italian wine ambassador of Italy International Academy.
And I'm Margherita from Mama Jumbo Shrimp.
And she's also a tremendous trap singer, believe me. Today we are not talking about wine, actually. Well, not directly, we're talking about Spritz.
So tell me more about Spritz.
Spritz is the most consumed aperitivo in the northeast of Italy, especially in Veneto. And in Veneto was born in the 1800s when the Austro-Hungarian occupied the northeast of Italy, and the soldiers weren't used to drink strong wine such as the Italian still white, so there were uses to cut it. So the traditional Spritz, cheers, was an Italian white wine still, obviously,
Okay.
that they used to cut with a splash of soda water.
And that's it? That's how they used to drink
And
it?
that's it. This is the Spritz how it's born. But today we can make it a little bit more fancy. We can add just a couple of ice cube and maybe just a slice of lemon.
Looks a little better.
Drink it.
Let's try this.
Yeah, it tastes.
That's rough. Tastes like my grandma's closet.
Yeah, so it's dusty and maybe camphor-y.
Yeah, exactly. So I would say let's make a chart.
Yeah, I'm gonna make another 4 Spritz actually, so you can make a ranking with those.
Awesome.
So now you tasted the grandma,
Yeah.
and now we go with the little sons. So in the beginning of 1900s, bitter were invented, and the new recipe of Spritz, as we know today, just started to change. And the Spritz were stained with something red. So we start making the most known Spritz, so the Aperol Spritz. Aperol was invented in Padova in 1919, so it probably was one of the first actually of the modern style Spritz. One thing, when you make a cocktail at home, be careful that you use a big amount of ice. So we start with our glass full of ice, and the recipe is kind of simple. 2 parts of aperitivo Aperol. So instead of the still wine, we're using now Prosecco, so sparkling. 3 parts of Prosecco in the Spritz. And, as history wants,
A big splash.
a big splash and a little bit mess with soda water. We add a little slice of orange and we stir it, and you can drink it.
Let's see. Well, this is a big improvement.
So the son is better than the mother in this case.
Definitely. So far, of course, this is my favorite.
That's nice. The other Spritz we make is with Select. Select was born in 1920 in Venice, and this is the reason why Padova and Venice claim both the origin of the paternity of the Spritz cocktail.
Okay. So, can you tell me what
yeah.
is Select?
Yes, Select is a bitter. Bitter are, I don't know how to describe them, are a mix of herb or orange peel or agrum peels, but every bitter has its own recipe, and usually are secret recipe.
Oh, okay. So it's a secret.
Oh, that's a lie, because I don't know this recipe, so secret recipe.
Awesome.
We start with our glass full of ice, and the recipe is still the same.
So let me see if I learned it. Is it 2 parts of what is this? Select? Okay.
Select, so
and
2 parts of bitter.
2 parts of bitter and 3?
Yes.
Okay, 3 parts of Prosecco.
Yeah, you're a fast learner.
Wow.
Actually. And a splash.
Oh, yeah. of soda water.
Yeah, with some mess around it. It's just choreography. Stir it. And drink it.
Gotta say, I already love the color in this one.
Okay. Yeah, it's more red. It's more red intense.
Wow, that's more bitter, I would say.
Yeah, it is.
And yes, this one topped them all for now. So
Okay.
that's my chart.
Next one is another very, very drunk all over Italy, not just in Veneto, is Campari Spritz. The only difference is between those type of bitter or aperitivo. They were born in Veneto, so they're kind of more traditional. Campari is actually from Milan, so it's more modern, is something more recent. I hate picking ice with spoons.
The struggle of being a bartender.
I'm not a bartender.
I know.
I'm just a wine drinker or wine. Okay. Our glass full of ice as ever. Again, 2 parts of bitter. Yeah, maybe a little bit more. Who cares?
I don't.
3 parts of prosecco. And our beloved and messy splash of water.
Not as messy this time though.
I know, it was kind of disappointing.
Yeah.
Our orange slice. And stir it.
They
And
look
drink it.
very similar. But
Yeah,
let's
the
see.
color is. They shouldn't taste similar, in my opinion. I don't
Well,
know.
this one goes for Milan for me. Yeah, I love Campari. Sorry.
Okay. So do you like stronger thing, because Campari is definitely more alcoholic than the other two. So
I guess so.
Aperol is the sweeter, Select is something in the middle with more bitterness, and Campari is bitter and alcoholic in the same time. Last one. I don't know if it will be the least one. So this is the youngest type of spritz born. In the last period, people start to make spritz with everything. So with the vermouth or with other type of bitter, even with the amari d'erbe. And now we'll make a Cynar spritz. And Cynar is an amaro d'erbe made mostly with artichokes.
Wait, with artichokes?
Yeah, so it's kind of healthy.
Okay, it's like I'm kind of drinking a salad or something.
Oh, it's a salad with a side dish of prosecco and soda.
I mean, I couldn't ask for anything else.
Big ice quantity. I insist, use a lot of ice. It's very, very important.
So whenever I go to a bar and I complain because I have too much ice in my glass.
Oh, never complain for 2 reasons. The first is because the bartender is gonna piss off really
Yeah,
hard
that
and
happens.
really bad.
That happens a lot.
And you need to have ice in your cocktail, because the more ice you have, more cold stays the cocktail, so the ice doesn't melt in your drink actually.
That's smart. That makes sense. Okay.
Cynar Spritz, the recipe is still the same, we just changed the base. So 2 parts of amaro.
Wow. That's dark.
Yeah, the dark color is made by artichoke, actually the tannins of the artichoke, but I don't want to be nerdy. So 3 parts of prosecco to finish.
Wow,
Yay!
this was a party. Loved it.
This was awesome. Okay, this time instead of the orange slice, I'm gonna put in a lemon slice, because just in my opinion, I think that a lemon is better with artichokes.
True. Let's see.
I'm gonna give it a big stir, and as usual, taste it.
So artichokes.
Artichokes. Healthy and good.
You can tell that it's healthy. because I don't really like it.
I'm missing one part. So in
it's
your
weird.
ranking, where it goes?
Okay, I would say the Campari is first. I'm thinking I don't want this is healthy though, so can't go too far down. I would just put it
just
like
give it
this.
some point for healthiness.
Yeah, for
I think
healthy.
that's okay. Thank you guys for listening. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, if you want to drink something really refreshing, Spritz is one of the best thing. And I'm gonna taste select because I know I'm gonna like it.
I'll go for the Campari. And thank you, Jacopo, for the amazing Spritz.
Well, thank you for listening and for the patience. And thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye. That's whiskey.